What's up, big baby bubbles? I'm Lee Will Try It, and today I'm trying Dave's Hot Chicken in Long Beach, California. And I will be getting it to go because I'm an introvert and I don't dine in too much.
I got one slider and one tender and mild, and I got Dave's sauce. Fries look seasoned. I like that. Look greasy. I got the pickles here. I'm gonna give you a piece of bread. Mmm. It's spicy. Nice soft bun. And I'm gonna have to hit that slider with the creamy roasted garlic.
Okay. That's some good stuff right there. All right, the chicken sandwich, the tender, and the sauce was smacking. I give it an 8. The fries was bunk. I'm going to give it a 0. Shout out Dave's Hot Chicken.